Want to set a timer for disappearing messages in Viber? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to set a timer for disappearing messages, you will need to open the Viber app and go into a specific one-on-one chat. Inside the chat, look for the plus icon, which is usually located in the bottom right, and tap on it. From the menu that appears with different options, you will need to find and select the disappearing message option. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose the timer from several options like 10 seconds, 1 minute, or 1 hour. After you have selected your desired time, a notification will appear in the chat indicating that the timer is now active. You can now send messages, and after the timer ends, your messages will be deleted. If you want to disable the timer for the disappearing message, just tap on the time in the right corner at the top of the message input. Select off and the timer will be disabled. And that's how you can set a timer for disappearing messages in Viber, an excellent feature for keeping your conversations private and secure. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.